Welcome back to my channel, Aztec Nahuatl Language, Bias, Imports, and History 101. I'm going to address something here. The Nahuatl language is very complex and fun to learn. There's the Nahuatl core, and there's the variants of the Nahuatl, which is 30 variants, right? So it might change from one place to another, from city to pueblo, right? It might have a little bit of a twist on it. But once you know one, you might get to know the other ones as well, which is correct, right? There's the classical and there's the modern Nahuatl. The words that existed back then don't apply today, and as well vice versa. So which is correct? They're both correct. So now you know. Share it, learn it, apply it. La sukamati. See you guys next time, and keep on learning.